Your Galaxy S23 is about to feel brand new again, without buying a new phone. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Samsung just dropped something that could change the way you use your device, and most people don't even know it yet. Today, I'll break down the second One UI 8 beta update based on Android 16, now rolling out for the Galaxy S23 series. And while the download is only 500 megabytes, the impact could be much bigger than you think. Stick around, because there's one important detail that every beta tester and even regular users needs to know. Just a week ago, Samsung released the very first One UI 8 beta, giving S23 owners in select regions a glimpse of Android 16's future. And now the second beta update is here, currently available in India and South Korea, with more countries expected to follow soon. This update might not look massive at first glance. It brings the September 2025 security patch, a batch of bug fixes, and a few under-the-hood improvements. But that's the point of these incremental betas. Samsung isn't just squashing glitches, it's preparing the foundation for features that will define the stable release. And here's the thing, if you're part of the One UI 8 beta program, you don't have to wait for a notification. You can manually check for the update right now by heading into Settings, Software Update. It's Samsung's way of making sure the S23 doesn't feel left behind, even as the company gears up for future flagships. So what's the key takeaway? While this second beta may look small, it's a crucial stepping stone toward the polished One UI 8 experience. For testers, it's your chance to help shape the final product. For everyone else, it's a sign that the stable Android 16 update is getting closer. If you're in India or South Korea, check for the update today. And if you're watching from another country, sit tight. Your turn is coming soon. Want to stay ahead of the curve with every One UI 8 update? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'll keep you posted on every new rollout and hidden feature you need to know about.